A few minutes outside Reno, Nevada, home to the MTC-operated Sierra Nevada Job Corps Center, sits this massive Tesla Gigafactory.
Tesla is actually a crazy, opportunity for a lot of us.
Jose Menjivar is one of many students who are looking to Tesla to launch a new and exciting career.
They do advanced development manufacturing, so mostly like advanced technology.
The Tesla Gigafactory near Reno is one of the world's highest volume plants for electric motors, energy storage products, and vehicle powertrains and batteries.
I'm excited to go to Tesla because it's a new opportunity for me and it opens so many other doors.
Jose is the latest Sierra Nevada Job Corps graduate to be offered a full-time position at Tesla, giving Jose the confidence he needs to push even harder.
What kind of job are you going to be doing out there?
So it's development manufacturing. I come from a very poor family. My mother, she really helped us in a lot of ways. But it just, me as a young person, I didn't listen. But now that I have this opportunity actually in Tesla and that I got the opportunity, I'm very happy that I did it.
After you get down to the joint, I just want you to wipe out your line.
All right.
Jose recently completed the cement program at Sierra Nevada Job Corps.
Then we make our own projects, so here someone made a heart. Honestly, the Job Corps experience has been amazing. Your pension has a benefit now,
Yes.
in Tesla, and they are helping me with a lot of stuff. It has taught me so many other stuff like responsibilities, attitude, how to be a great person in life, and just how to show people that I work well.
With his new attitude and job skills, Jose will begin as an associate at Tesla and hopes his hard work and dedication will lead to growth within the massive technology company.
Job Corps changed my life tremendously. I can tell you right now, I'm not the same kid that I was in 2023.